Prices are up 6.1% year to date with a 1% rise in October. It's Friday, November 12th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis median sold price rose to $488,000 at the end of October. This is up from 2020's $460,000. New listings to the market were down 2.8%, with inventory being down to only 144 for sale, and the average days on the market rising to 26 days. Closings were also down 9.3%. The 21401 zip code prices were up 8% to $495,000. 21403 is up 6.1% to $488,000. 21409 is up only 1.8% to $475,000. Of the 38 homes that closed over the past week, the highest price sale was this waterfront home in Hillsmere Estates for $2,075,000. That's your Annapolis Market Snapshot for Friday, November 12th, 2021. Be sure to save the date for our upcoming fundraiser to benefit the Annapolis Lighthouse Shelter. Visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on the Black Friday link for event details. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next Friday. Enjoy your weekend.